In this video, I'll show you how to build a mobile app using Replit on your phone. First, download the Replit mobile app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Once it is installed, open it and sign in using your existing account. If you do not have one yet, you can sign up using Google, GitHub, or your email address. If you want to test native features like the camera or haptics on your device, you will also need to download the Expo Go app. Install it from the same App Store before you start building. Once you are logged in, tap on the Create tab. This is where you start a new project. Describe your app idea in plain language in the prompt box. For example, you could type something like, "Build a habit tracker app with a dark theme." Then select Mobile App as your app type. Replit will automatically set up a React Native project for you. From here, you can use the Replit agent to keep building your app. Just chat with the agent to add new features, connect a database, fix bugs, or make any other changes you need. You do not need to write all the code yourself. Just describe what you want, and the agent will handle it. If you're on iOS 18 or later, you can follow the agent's progress directly from your lock screen using live activities. This means you can keep track of what the AI is building without even opening the app. That's how you do it.